Tiny houses need a different septic pump-out schedule than standard homes because smaller tanks and unique usage patterns change how quickly solids accumulate. For a tiny house, calculate desludging intervals by combining tank volume and average daily wastewater production. Take the tank capacity in gallons, estimate per person daily water use in gallons, then use standard solids buildup rates to predict when sludge will occupy 30% of tank volume, which is a common trigger for pump out. If you have a composting toilet or low-flow fixtures, reduce the estimated wastewater and extend intervals, but document those changes so your schedule is evidence-based. Inspect and measure scum and sludge levels at least once a year by hiring a service that will probe the tank and report inches of sludge and scum, then translate those inches into a percentage of tank volume to decide timing. Keep detailed pump-out receipts, technician notes, and a simple log with dates, tank levels, and household occupancy. Store this as both paper and a photo backup. Schedule pump-outs proactively before alarms, odors, or slow drains appear, because tiny tanks can go from fine to problematic faster than larger systems. Adjust the schedule whenever occupancy or water use changes, for example when guests stay or when you add a dishwasher or new fixtures. Common mistakes include assuming a one-size-fits-all interval and waiting for problems to appear. Fix this by calculating intervals from your specific tank size and usage and logging measurements regularly. Another frequent issue is poor record keeping, which makes it hard to predict when to pump out. Remedy that by keeping every receipt, technician report, and a simple calendar entry or digital file with dates and measured sludge depths. A third problem is ignoring water use patterns like frequent guests or leaks that accelerate solids accumulation. Catch that early by tracking occupancy, repairing leaks promptly, and reducing graywater through simple changes like shorter showers. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors who list septic services and pump-out companies, and it helps contractors find work by connecting them with nearby clients. We also host a discussion community where tiny house owners and service providers share real experience, schedules, and tips.